Okay, so we're going to start here on CS 312 Introduction to Programming. You're going to scroll down to Getting Started. Okay, so before you download Eclipse, you're going to want to download Java. So you click this link, and you're going to go to down here to the downloads. And depending on your computer, you're either going to get 64-bit or 86-bit. Most computers nowadays support 86-bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on that one. You're going to click the check mark for I have reviewed and accepted the license agreement, and you're going to click download, but it's going to make you sign in first. And so most people, if you're downloading Java for the first time, don't have an Oracle account, so you're going to hit create account, and you're going to fill out all these fields. So you're going to put in your email address, password. I'm not putting anything in because, one, I already have an account, and two, it's going to try to autofill, and I just don't want some of my information out there. Then for job title, a lot of people put students. For company name, people put like college, or they put student again, or I put like not available. And then you're going to hit create account. And then from there, it's going to download Java. And it's going to download it in an exe. And so you're going to have, it'll pop up down here that you downloaded something. After it's done downloading, you click on it and you run everything. You go to the very end, and then you'll have Java installed. So you're just going to click next. You don't have to worry about unchecking anything, I don't believe. And you'll have Java. So from there, I didn't save where I was, so I'm going to hit back a few times. From there, you're going to get the Eclipse IDE. And again, I stress, download Java before Eclipse. So then you're going to go to the Eclipse IDE, and you're going to hit download over here. Download again. And you don't have to donate anything. This is just for like helping out Eclipse because Eclipse is free. So we're going to wait for it to install. Done. Come on. Okay, so you're going to click this. I'm going to wait for it to pop up. Oh, I'm going to have to change my window capture too. So, okay. Just a moment. I should have just done a screen capture. Hold on. Okay. So you're going to have this. And you're going to click IDE for Java developers because we're developing in Java. And it should already have this in here for you because it's just basically searching for the Java that you just downloaded. And it should autofill for you. You shouldn't have to change any of that. And then you're going to click install. And in the meantime, I'm going to show a few recommendations. I would recommend you making a folder on your desktop named, like, I don't know, CS312. I'm only putting the year because I already have a folder named that on my desktop. And in there, you're going to put all your stuff. So whenever you make anything, whenever you start a new project, you're going to put everything in there so it's where you know where it is. Okay, and so still waiting for that to download. Install. Oh, it's only being slow for me because I downloaded it before, and whenever I uninstalled Eclipse, it has some leftover files in places that I didn't catch, and so it's taking a bit longer because of that. Okay, and then you're gonna click launch. Just a moment. Should pop up a little screen, but it's doing it on my primary monitor instead of the secondary one, which is the one I'm recording right now. So it's going to take a little bit for you to see anything. Okay, so then you're going to get this. And what I recommend, which I could very well be doing it in a way that the instructors may say differently, but the way I recommend organizing everything is you go to browse and you go to that folder you made for this class and you click there to be your workspace, because then everything you create in Eclipse will be in that folder. So then you click launch. Again, I have to wait for a bit. Okay, and then you're gonna get, hold on. Then you're gonna get this screen. Okay, so now you download Eclipse. Technically, you can do whatever you want from here on, but I'm gonna go through a test. So what I recommend doing, and again, the instructors might think differently, but you go to File, and you're gonna go New Java Project because you're programming in Java. And then after that, you're gonna name it like, this doesn't have to be the name of the file itself. This is just what your project is called, and so you would name it assignment 1 for assignment 1. However, since it's not assignment 1 for me, I'm gonna name it test. And then you're gonna click next. I think you might be able to just click finish, but I'm making sure. Yes, okay, so you finish. And you don't need a module. Modules are not needed in this part of the class, and that was confirmed by a video previously made by a TA. Okay, and from there, you're going to go to File. You're going to go to File, New, and then Class, because every Java project starts with a class. And you're going to name it the name of your Java file, because whenever you make a class, it's always the name of the file. And so for you, for assignment 1, you put song.java, but I'm going to put hello, because we're making the hello world. We're going to be making the hello world project right here. So I'm going to click finish. Okay. And there it is. So you do have to click this tiny little button that says Java. There might be an easier way to do that. This is just the way that I've been using. And then you have your class. And then just to test everything and make sure you know where to run everything, you can make the public static void main string args, and then do system.out.println, and then you're gonna put hello world wrong, and don't forget the semicolon, and you're gonna hit Control S to save the program because it will not I spelled string wrong. Because it will not compile if you don't save it, and by compiling it won't run. So you save it, and if there's no errors, the shortcut for running is F11, I think. And yep, so I hit F11 and it printed hello world. But if you don't know how to do the function keys or whatever, you can click run, and you can click run, which will do the same thing. There is different windows that let you see it easier. Hold on. But either way, that's how you do it this way in any case. And so from there, like if this was the assignment that you needed to turn in, song.java, you can copy and paste it. Like just click that, copy the file, and then paste it into Canvas. Or you can export it, which I haven't messed with yet, so I'm not gonna try to pretend I know what I'm doing. So that's how you work with Eclipse.